good afternoon. Welcome to the big shed as opposed to the bike shed, which is over there. This is the big shed where more space is allowed for dealing with operations such as are to be done today. So, I guess you've seen the boxes on the table. This is a red letter day and a very special unboxing because I have the Hagons here, all safely wrapped up, and not only that, but they've allowed Captain Clumsy to have sharp implements. What could possibly go wrong? Disembowel myself, chop a finger off, end up in minor injuries? Quite likely, hopefully not too likely. So, but first, here we have the icing on the cake, the creme caramel, the French fancy, the fondant cream, the cheese souffle. Well, maybe that's going a bit far. So we're going to try and open this whilst preserving the envelope for future reuse, recycling. I won't leave that out because I know what's going to happen. I'll cut myself when my finger slips. Aha! So, what do we have here? Ooh. We have a dispatch note and, most importantly, Rosso Lemon Red. Take a good gander at that. Well, it looks pretty good, but we'll see if it's spot on when we come to do that. We'll get this man at Coastal Motors to do it. So that's a good start. Heartened by that situation. More tea is required. This is decaf, by the way. I'm not overstimulating. Just had to go back on the prednisolone. What a joy. Fortunately, a lower dose. Now, I think looking at the packaging, which is very sturdy, I have to say, this is the end. Not the song by the doors. This is the end. That's very good, actually. I tried desperately not to end up poking the knife blade into me, leaving an injury, but you know what I'm like. Woohoo! Oh, we got an inner box. Oh, I do like inner boxes. It's like Christmas, isn't it? You know. And then you see the branding. Whoa! Oh, oh, there's a packing note as well from Hagon in colour. It is a note about shorter shocks fitted. I am aware of the risks that may reduce cornering angles. However, I am not a demon cornerer, and neither is the bless it, the Moto Guzzi. Don't forget, these are shock absorbers. Hagon have been a well-established manufacturer. They do shocks for just about every bike, monoshocks. They do dirt bike shocks. They build to order. So Hagon's are reliable. Some of the more expensive ones are expensive. The 2810s are sort of a mid-range thing, but they do have adjustable damping. Okay. I like the bit about it says do not replace only one shock absorber. Yeah, right. Really nice packaging though. And there we are. Look at that. They're not going to get damaged, are they? Outer box, inner box, quality. Got the inner foam packaging. We've also got a nice little ring spanner for the for adjustment. Bear in mind these have both adjustable damping and adjustable spring rates. So I'll get them out, but then once I've done that, I'll put them back. Oh, another set of instructions. Ah, this is how to decrease and increase damping. I'll take a photo of that and see if I can show you it. Excellent. Are you excited yet? I am. Well, either that or I've just wet myself. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Right. Now, which is up and which is down? Oh, that's got to be up, hasn't it? I think is the damping adjustment. As I say, I'm not a shock absorber expert. I tell you what, they look like good quality. So there we are, proudly bearing the name Hagon. I opted for the covered top, just like the original Guzzi one, and yeah, slightly softer spring rate. Don't think there's any need to unbox the next or unwrap the next one, because every movement leads potentially to some damage. And you know what I like? No, you don't answer the question. So yes, shocks safely in. I now need to give Coastal Motors a bell so we can get these fitted, and then once we got them fitted, we'll see how we are with the ride height and the damping, but I'm sure these will be better shocks anyway. And then I'm going to go make an appointment to get the seat cut down, which will be an excursion because it's about 40-50 miles away, Hale, which is where the chappie lives, but hopefully I can find a kind autumn day in which to do it. So nearly about to wrap up. A couple more points. You will notice the t-shirt. Now, it's not a Moto Guzzi t-shirt. The reason why I'm putting this on is because I recently did a short video on the state of play with BSA and my encounter with a somewhat ill-mannered dealer, shall we say. But whatever it is, it's worth having a quick decamp to have a look at that and see if you're interested in BSAs. So that's that. And now the second point is, I better retract this, otherwise I'll stab myself, won't I? I see that Exeter Rider's been muscling in on my territory. That's naughty, naughty. I've trademarked being stupid and clumsy. How dare you? How dare you? Yes, don't fall off again. Very funny, actually. Well, not funny, but you know, you certainly made the best of it. So yes, mate, I've always enjoyed watching your videos, and some of them really, really long and in depth and thoughtful thoughts. So yeah, thumbs up to Exeter Rider, also to Saddlebags 73, who lives a bit nearer me and the Cornwall border, but just make sure that Exeter Rider eats his cream teas the right way. This will be hell up, I tell ya. Right, so that's a bit of a light end to what's been actually a pretty difficult day. So get in touch with the guy, get these fitted, also drop the front forks a little bit, that's to balance the bike up. Then once that's done, we're going to look at the seat situation and see how much we need to do with that. There may not be too many options, but the closer I get to the ground, the safer I feel, and that's important. So yeah, well chuffed with the Hagons, they really look good. So this is Captain Clumsy signing off from deepest Cornwall. And PS, please like, comment, subscribe, let this channel grow, because I'm starting to move quite fast now. Target is 500 subscribers by the end of the year. I'd be delighted if you come along with me whilst I fumble my way through various things, and eventually I might get to ride this bike somewhere. But in the meantime, I'll be having fun. Okay, that's goodbye part 2 over and done with. Bye for now.